Hi, it's Grant here from searchconvert.co.uk, and in today's quick video I'm going to walk you through my own 3-step personal process for how I plan, build, and launch high converting sales funnels that sell my own products and services. But just very quickly before I get into the content, if you like the video, why not give me a like? If you want to see more videos like this, why not subscribe to the channel and click the notification button. So with that said, let's get on with the content and training. So if you're new to sales funnels or you've been around the internet marketing industry for a while and you sort of know about sales funnels, but for whatever reason you just can't get them to convert, or you have no idea where to start, this video is for you. So just very quickly, I'm just going to go into what makes or goes into a high converting sales funnel. So the actual sales funnel model itself isn't really that important. You basically choose the right sales funnel model or process based on your offer, but the things that really make a high converting sales funnel is, number one, your offer. If you've got a bad offer, or if the offer isn't something your market wants or desires, then your sales funnel is going to bomb. So the offer is absolutely everything. The next thing is you must have a compelling big idea, a marketing hook that's going to grip and excite your audience and introduce something new into the market that sort of builds desire for your offer and gets people to engage emotionally into your sales funnel. And the last thing is obviously the copy. Obviously, you need to engage people emotionally with your copy, strategically overcome objections that then leads up to your offer. And those are the really important things that make up a really high converting sales funnel. So let's get into the 3-step process of how you put together high converting sales funnel. Now, it all begins with researching and finding your big marketing idea, and also doing enough research into your customer avatars and looking at your competitors' funnels and analyzing their big ideas and marketing hooks and offers. So obviously you can, position your funnel in a different way and make a superior offer. So the first thing you need to do, or the first step, is the big idea stage. And the first step of finding your big idea and doing all of your research is to sort of do a lot of research into your ideal customer. Ideally, what their problems, what their desires, what their struggles with. Because at the end of the day, you want to build a customer avatar. You want to know as much detail about them as possible. What the big problems they've got. What is it that they really want? So at the end of the day, this information is going to allow you to build an offer that is going to solve their problems or fulfill their desires. So that's why building a strong customer avatar is so important, because we want to match the right offer to your perfect customer. That's the first step. Second step is to do enough research into competitors. So what we want to do is sort of go through their funnels or their conversion process. We want to look at their marketing hooks and big ideas, not to copy them, but so we can create our own unique idea that's going to introduce something new to the market, something the market hasn't heard of before. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to look at their offers, analyze their offers, how they positioning their offers, what their bonus is, what are their premiums, what their guarantees like, what are their payment plans, all of this kind of stuff, so we can build a more superior offer that's going to sell our products and services. So that's step 2. Now, step 3 is, once we've done that, what we're going to do is we're going to find and create a compelling big marketing idea for your sales funnel. And as I've said, your big idea is your marketing hook that's going to introduce a new idea into the market. It's going to grab mass attention, build curiosity, build desire for your offer, and engage people emotionally and get them to engage in your sales funnel. So that is the first stage. Now, once you've done that, the second stage is actually to work and build out your sales funnel. Now, there's a couple of steps you need to do here. The first thing you need to do, based on the price point of your offer and what you're selling, you want to choose the right sales funnel model for you. So if you're selling something high ticket, say around $2,000, then a webinar might be good. If you're selling like a free book and you've got a couple of mid-tier upsells, then a book funnel might be good, where the book would be the first offer in your funnel, free plus shipping, And then after that, you might have 1 or 2 upsells to recoup your ad costs. So that is the first step, choosing the right sales funnel model for your offer. Now, the next stage is to build out your copy and offer. And depending on, the price point of your offer, the process that I use is obviously you introduce your big marketing idea with your headline, then you choose your lead depending on the types of awareness or the types of competitor, the types of people you're going after in the market. When I say types of people, the different awareness levels of the different people in your audience. Are they unaware of their problems? Are they aware of their problems? Are they solution aware? Are they aware of your products and services? So basically your lead is going to basically speak to the type of person you want to go after in the market, i.e. unaware, problem aware, solution aware, and so on. Next step is to build your body copy, which is basically where you overcome all objections and build a logical argument as to why your solution delivers the big promise that they want. And then basically you build out your offer. The last step is to build out your irresistible offer. And that is the second stage. That is basically the rough process of how you build out your sales funnel. And then obviously that's the entry level offer. Then after that, you will have upsells if it makes sense to do so, depending on the type of sales funnel that you have. Because you don't always need upsells, but if you're selling low ticket on the front, then having 1, maybe 2 upsells might be good. So you can just maximize your average order value and recoup ad costs. Now, once your sales funnel is ready to go, then we roll out the traffic. And step 3 is traffic, where we launch your sales funnel. Now, I guess the quickest and easiest way to do that is to run paid ads into your funnel. So my advice is to choose one ad network. And I would generally advise starting with Facebook ads and create one killer ad that's going to drive traffic into your sales funnel. Now, this is a very simplistic overview. I haven't got time to go into the details of how to set up a Facebook ad campaign, but I'd start with Facebook ads, create a killer ad, use the Facebook ad to drive traffic into your sales funnel. And with your Facebook ad can do a lot of a grunt work. With your Facebook ad, the Facebook ad needs to be valuable in and on itself. And I would always use video in your Facebook ad as well. And basically the video is there to educate, introduce your idea and your system that's going to deliver the result that your customers want, and then just walk them through it. So you're building desire for your offer strategically. So once people hit your sales funnel, they're sort of aware of your solution and system, and they've got some kind of a relationship with you because they've watched your presentation. And that is another reason of how, or another way you can increase the conversions and sales on your sales funnel. Now your sales funnel is the front end of kind of like your marketing campaign. Your sales funnel is designed to acquire new customers and generate as much revenue up front as possible, so you can put revenue back to acquire even more customers. And then you need to think about your back end marketing systems. Now the next step is to build out your email marketing campaigns, and then do your ad retargeting, which you can do on Facebook, Google, Display Network, and YouTube. So guys, that is my 3-step process for how I plan, build, and launch high converting sales funnels. And this process works like gangbusters pretty much every time. All right, not every sales funnel you're going to build out is going to be a winner. But if you follow this process, you really do your research well into your ideal customer, your competitors, build a compelling offer that sort of fulfills the desires and problems your audience has, create compelling marketing idea, choose the right funnel, build your traffic campaigns the right way, you're going to give yourself a great chance of building a very profitable sales funnel that will acquire new customers for you at break even or better, which is basically the rule of this game. Now, if you want more help, training, advice, and support of how to go through this process, I'm going to be launching my traffic and conversion Vault community in the next couple of months. If you want to be on the wait list so you get notified when I launch the Vault traffic and conversion community, you can go to search2convert.co.uk/waitlist. There's going to be a link below in the description section below. But also, if you don't want to hire a really expensive sales funnel developer that's can cost you over $10,000 to build out your sales funnel. I advise that you use ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a great sales funnel builder. You've got drag and drop templates. You can build sales funnels very cost effectively. And if by combining ClickFunnels sort of funnel builder with my process, you can knock out sales funnels really, really quickly, using ClickFunnels. Now, if you want to sort of if you want to use ClickFunnels, they're doing a 14-day free trial. There's a link below to get your trial and the full active transparency. If you go through that link and get your trial, I will get a commission. But ClickFunnels is a great service for building out sales funnels, and the team are incredibly passionate, to help entrepreneurs like you to sort of grow your business through sales funnels. Anyway, guys, that's what I've got for you today. If you like the video, hit like, hit the notifications button, follow me. If you want to see more videos like this, and why not share it with your friends. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll speak to you soon.